How long have people in Japan been eating miso? For 1,300 years? For 700 years? For 300 years? The answer is for 1,300 years. It is unclear when miso was first brought to Japan. However, in the Taiho legal codes established in 701, the word miso is used. It is believed to indicate miso. This means miso has been eaten in Japan for over 1,300 years. What type of miso is consumed the most in Japan? Miso made from soybeans and rice? Miso made from soybeans and barley? Miso made from soybeans only? The answer is miso made from soybeans and rice. About 80% of the miso products distributed across Japan are miso made from soybeans and rice. They are widespread all over Japan. What are the known benefits of consuming miso? It lowers the risk of cancer. It kills bacteria in the human body. It makes your hair grow strong and shiny. The answer is, it lowers the risk of cancer. Miso is known as functional food, which contains various nutrients that are good for health. Lately, scientific data has revealed multiple benefits of miso. Some of them include lowering the risk of cancer, lowering the risk of lifestyle diseases, and preventing aging. To begin, let's trace back the history of miso. Miso has been a part of Japanese food culture for the past 1,300 years. Miso is believed to have originated from ancient Chinese ingredients called shou and shi. Shou was fermented food made from meat and fish with salt and alcohol, which people used like sauce or soy sauce. Shi was also fermented food made from soybeans and grains. Much is still unknown as to when and how they were brought to Japan, but in the Taiho legal codes established in 701, a non-Chinese word, misho, appears. Misho changed over time to eventually be called miso. Okay, so please repeat. General Nobunaga Oda, Hideyoshi Toyotomi, and Ieyasu Tokugawa were all from places known for miso production. One more time. Kagawa Prefecture is best known for udon noodles. Let's practice. Nice work!